All right, 8:25 is the time, and Bill?
Yes.
It is Sunday, so that means it's time for another featured creature.
That's right. Been a little frantic in the news. Well, Dakota Casteel is now going to join us. He's our photojournalist here at News Channel 9. He's going to take us to reflection writing, and he's going to tell us all about the red wolf.
On this week's featured creature, we find out what animal makes this sound. Odds are you probably haven't seen these canines in the wild because of their lack of numbers. Check it out.
This is the American red wolf. This is the only wolf that is truly native to the United States and indigenous to the Southeast. We at Reflection Writing have 6 red wolves here. They are called red wolves because they have that pumpkiny red, that American ruddy red on their ears and on their haunches. And then the rest of their bodies are anywhere from dark to light to mottled browns and off-whites.
What's the conservation status looking like for these guys?
The American red wolf is the most endangered canid in the world. There's one wild release site in northeastern North Carolina, and there are only approximately 20 red wolves on that wild release site. There are approximately 220 wolves in captivity over 44 facilities.
How would you describe their sense of smell compared with other animals?
They do have an incredible sense of smell. They have a Jacobson's organ in their nose and are able to smell hugely better than we and other animals. So that's one of the senses that they use the most when they're hunting.
Speaking of hunting, what are some of their favorite foods in the wild?
In the wild, the number 1 and 2 prey items are white-tailed deer and raccoon. In captivity, we feed our animals a variety of meat and then a high-quality dog chow. They also, in North Carolina, in the wild release site, prey on an animal called a nutria, and it's actually a non-native animal that was brought in. It destroys farmers' crops, and so farmers love to have red wolves on their property because they keep the nutria down, which in turn saves the farmers' crops.
Is there a reason why this one is rolling around on the ground like that?
And they do waller a lot in the dirt, and some of it is to cool off, some of it's to clean off, some of it's just being a dog and having a good time.
Reflection Writing is a participant in the red wolf species survival plan in hopes of bringing this animal back from the brink of extinction. For this week's featured creature, I'm Dakota Casteel.
Just being a dog. I like that saying.
That's right. And a high-quality dog chow they get, which is like they're eating better than I am.
I guess, right?
Very nice, yes. Lots of protein.
Lots of protein. All right. Well, you can see that story on our website. That's newschannel9.com. You just got to click on the featured creature section.